Hi everyone, I'm Sid Sottung, and so today we're going to be showcasing you the new 4 pomades from Captain Fawcett. I would like to show you how to use the new Captain Fawcett clay pomade. Now this product is great for hair types from a fine to medium density, and it is perfect for creating separation and also a mattified raw effect. Now, by taking a small amount first, I'd say about the size of a pea-sized amount, work it through your palms and your fingertips. Now, if you want a bit more root lift, going from up higher, and then you would then use your fingertips to show the separation. By working the product throughout the hair, it gives us a nice, natural, raw finish. You can also twist the hair to show more separation and an exaggerated effect. And here we go, the finished look by using the Captain Fawcett new clay pomade. I'm now going to be applying the Captain Fawcett gloss pomade. Now this is for light hold and immaculate shine, and this will provide a nice strong vintage or classic look. First, start off with a generous amount on your fingertip, work it through your palms, then very gently tap the head with the product, work it through. Then, using a wide tooth comb, you're going to start combing the product through the hair. And here we go, the classic Fawcett, classic styling with the new gloss pomade. Now here with the Captain Fawcett classic pompadour style, I first used the hair and scalp tonic just to create lots of body and also heat protection upon the hair. Now I'm going to be using the new Captain Fawcett Strong Pomade. It's going to have extra strength and also hold, but at the same time a glossy finish. Now by using a generous amount on your fingertip, you're going to work it through your palms and then apply it all throughout the hair. And now we're going to be using an afro comb to be able to apply and pull the product throughout the entire head. Now please note that you can actually mix all the pomades together to create a unique experience for your guests. We're now going to be using your jumbo comb, and this is when we're going to really help smooth out the hair and give a final finish to the hair. Now this is the finished look using the Captain Fawcett new Stronghold Pomade. Now we're going to use the Captain Fawcett putty to create a nice natural finish. And all you need is actually a very small amount to do the job right. So here we go, getting a small coin-sized amount on your fingertip. Going to work it through your palms and apply it evenly throughout the hair. This product has natural shine and a nice beautiful light hold. Perfect for hair that likes to expand and just needs that little bit of control. Now this is the finished look using the Captain Fawcett Putty Pomade, which has natural shine, a light hold, and easy to apply.